Hello students, I welcome you all in my GK class. Today we are going to discussing about sound and its words from your GK page number 24. Things and its sounds. What do we call the sound of a bee? What do we call the sound of bees? We call it buzz. Okay? The next thing is, what do we call the sound of leaves? We call it rustle. What do we call the sound of owl? We call it hoots. Okay? We call the sound of owl hoots. What do we call the sound of the glass? It is shatters. The frying food, sizzle. The door, it sounds known as creaks. The water, gurgles. The bell, ding dong. The raindrop, pitter patter. The thunder, we call it rumbles. Now you have to answer the question given on your screen. Okay? Question number 1 is, who wrote the national anthem of India? Before knowing who is the author of the national anthem, you have to tell me what is national anthem. Right, Jana Gana Mana. Very good. And who wrote it? Ravindranath Tagore. Ravindranath Tagore wrote National Anthem of India. The next question is, which planet is closer to the sun in our solar system? You have to tell which planet is very near to the sun in our solar system. That is Mercury. Who won the Best Actor award at the Oscars in 2016? Leonardo DiCaprio won the Best Actor award at Oscars in 2016. We are talking about the year 2016, and which year is going on? 2020 is going on. Yes, we are talking 4 years ago. And 4 years ago, the Oscars award, the Best Actor award, received by Leonardo DiCaprio. The next question is, which is the second highest mountain peak in the world? That is K2. Godwin Austen is the second highest mountain peak in the world. Which neighboring country of India was devastated by a deadly earthquake in April 2015, which left more than 9,000 dead and more than a million homeless? It was a devastated, you can say. It's a deadly earthquake, and it had taken place in April 2015, and more than 9,000 people were died due to this earthquake, and a million people were homeless. And the name of this neighboring country is Nepal. Who played the title role in the popular film Piku? That is Deepika Padukone. To which of these can you link the word keys? Skating, music, or jogging? Yeah, music. If you are going to Beijing, which country are you traveling to? If you are going to Beijing, then you are traveling to China. Who was the captain of the Sunrisers Hyderabad team in IPL 2016? That is David Warner. David Warner was the captain of Sunrisers Hyderabad team in IPL 2016. On the banks of which river is the city of Varanasi located? It's very easy. We all know that. On the bank of Ganga. Yes, on the bank of Ganga, the city of Varanasi located. Which of these an online marketplace founded by Jeff Bezos? Which of these? There are three options: Nile, Amazon, or Mississippi. And the correct option is Amazon. Amazon is an online marketplace founded by Jeff Bezos. On which day do we celebrate Earth Day? It's very easy. 22 April is celebrated as a Earth Day. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then like it, subscribe it.